Hey guys, what's up? Kendra Ken here, and today I'll be showing how to make a bird toy, like the ones you'd find in stores almost. Okay, so there's a special thread that you can get. It's a really strong thread, so you need a really strong thread, like this one. You can find these at like Home Depots and those places, so you need strong thread, like tough material, so your birds probably won't bite through it, at least for a while. You'll need scissors, and then you have to get a bunch of, soft building blocks work sometimes, but these work too. So what I like to do is I'll pick a theme, and I think I'll just go with African theme, and I'll go through, I'll pick out some stuff. Let's see here. African theme. I've got a female lion, 2 male lions, and a rhino right here. Okay. And let's see, probably a couple more. Elephant. Oh, 2 rhinos. Okay. So I'm done with finding the things I need for my theme. And I'll start out with making my bird toy now. Okay? So I'm going to pick the biggest one for the anchor, which is going to be my elephant. And I'm going to just slide it through, if I can. Here. If I can do that, it'd be really nice. So kind of just punch holes in them usually, on both sides. And then you slide them through. This might take a little, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I got it through. So there's my anchor right there. So that's my elephant. And I'll just get him and put him upright. And I'll just double knot it. Okay. So once I've made my anchor, I still haven't cut my string. So I'm just going to take a guess on how long it's going to be. And I'm going to snip it. Right there. Okay. I have a little extra string, but I'll be okay. Anyway, I think I might want to pick a pattern on the animals. I think I'm going to go red, green, red, green, red, and then I'm going to add a blue at the top. So it's all about pattern and theme mostly. And usually sometimes you can go through and you can maybe even make some cute things. Like cooking could be a theme. Something like that. Anyway, I'm going to go get this rhino on. The objects you're using, then you might just want to tie them around, double knot twice, like I did on my little elephant here. Okay. I'll be right back and show you when I've got the red-green pattern done.